My name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will make a teardown of the subwoofer of the JBL Partybox 1000. So this is a 12-inch subwoofer. It is amazing, and let's see the teardown. It has 1100 watts, same as the JBL Partybox Ultimate, and the big difference between them is that the JBL Partybox 1000, it has on the bottom this big woofer, 12-inch woofer, two mid-range drivers of 7-inch, and two tweeters. For the teardown of the JBL Partybox 1000 subwoofer, we need to take down these hidden screws and just pull out the big subwoofer, the 12-inch subwoofer. So let's see how it will sound after we will tear it down. And we have two on the other side. So, will this pop out? No. Let's see underneath these legs if it will be some other screws. And of course they are. So 4 legs, 4 different screws. I have tested the JBL Partybox 1000 with the JBL Partybox Ultimate, and after my decibel test, it was clear that the JBL Partybox Ultimate it is a lot louder than the JBL Partybox 1000. I hoped because it has this big woofer, the bass would be more powerful, but unfortunately the JBL Partybox Ultimate that cost $1,700, it was way louder, and the bass was way powerful than the JBL Partybox Ultimate, and that is pretty curious. So we managed to take out these 4 screws, and the downside, the bottom side, should pop out. As we can see here, we have the charging port, and we need to take it very carefully out to not damage it. So to not damage the charging port, we need to take down these other 4 screws for the wheels to pop out right over here. Okay, and now we are gonna just pop out this. As you can see here on the back, it has the charging port, and it is pop out. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws to take out this big 12-inch woofer. So in my head, this is the heart of the JBL Partybox 1000. And now the moment of truth. Let's see this big 12-inch woofer. I think it is very heavy and it is really beautiful. Let's see if it has some markings on the sides. So the only marking is this, and it says nothing about the ohms or the power. And now let's see the interior. So this is for the bass reflex that goes on in the back, and here we have the two mid-range drivers, and on the bottom side, let's see if I can show you, we have this. So now we will turn on the speakers and see how it will sound. So please tell me in the comments, what do you think? Let's start with the hertz. So this the movement of the membrane was very interesting. What do you think about that?